Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 11.3. I know this exercise is already being completed by Aruna madam. Just we are do a revision of this exercise. Okay. So here we are starting exercise 11.3. First question, what does it says? In this video we are going to see question number 1 to 7. Clear? So what the first question says here? Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Okay. Here the radius 14 centimeter, 28 millimeter, 21 centimeter is being given, and the value of pi is also given that you have to take 22/7. Sometimes in the questions the value of pi is not given. At that time either you can take 22/7 or you can take 3.14 by 3.14. Clear? Since in this questions the value of pi is given 22/7, that means you have to take that value only. Clear? Then in question number 2, what is said that in question number 2 it is said that find the area. So what is the formula for the area is, that is 2 pi. It is said since in the circumference the formula is 2 pi r and area of the circle formula is pi r square. So this first formula for the circumference is going to be used for the first question, and the second formula, that is area is equals to pi r square, is going to be used for the second questions. Clear everyone? Now in the third part of the question, what it says that if the circumference of a circular sheet, here the circumference of a circular sheet, that means circumference of a circle value is given as 154 meter, find its radius. We have to find the radius. Also find the area of the sheet, and the value of pi you have to take as 22/7. So student, what is the circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. The circumference value is already being given, so we are going to keep 154 is equals to 2 into pi value we have to take as given in the question as 2 into 22/7 into r value we have to find, since it is asked to find the radius, that's why, isn't it? Then transposing from right hand side to the left hand side we are going to solve, that is 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equals to r. Now after finding r value we have to put the value of radius in the formula of area of a circle, then you will get the value of area of the circular sheet. Clear everyone? Remember student, here the circumference of a circular sheet is equals to the circumference of a circle. Whatever the circumference we are going to consider here, that will be equals to the circumference of a circular sheet, because that sheet is in the form of a circle. Clear? Next question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden whose diameter, suppose we are having a circular garden and its diameter is given as 21 meter. Okay, then what will be the radius? If the diameter is 21 meter, then what will be the radius of the circular garden? Of course, for the radius we are going to be divided by 21/2 meter. While dividing we will get the answer as 10.5 meter. Clear everyone? Now after that it is said, it is very clearly said in the question that we have to find the length of the rope to be purchased to suppose this one is a garden. Okay, a length of the rope is to be fenced outside the garden, and it makes 2 rounds. That means this is the first round and the second round is to be fenced around the garden. So if the cost of the rope, 1 meter rope is 4 per meter, then you have to find the total cost. Clear everyone? While doing the question it will be more clear to you. Clear? Then question number 5. A circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of 3 centimeter is removed, find the area of the remaining sheet. Suppose this one is a circle. Clear everyone? Its radius is 4 centimeter. Now one more circle is being drawn inside and its radius is 3 centimeter. This 3 centimeter radius of a circle is removed from the circle. Now it is asked to find the area of the remaining sheet. That means this area, 2 circles is being drawn, isn't it? So this area we have to find in this question. Clear? Next question, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table covered of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required. Length of the lace will be equals to the circumference of a circle. Remember students, whenever the length is being asked for any circular table, circular sheet, anything related to the circle, that means it is the perimeter or perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle. Both are equal. Perimeter of a circle is equals to the circumference of a circle. Okay. Then also find the cost of, if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. Again we have to, whatever the perimeter we will get, that perimeter will be multiplied with 15 to get the cost. Clear? Then here in the seventh part of the question, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. So one semicircle is given over here, isn't it? That semicircle's diameter is given as, this one is the semicircle, this is the complete diameter. So if we are going to find its radius, the diameter will be divided by 2, so its radius is 5, isn't it? So using that radius we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a circle will be equals to circumference of a circle. Remember that. The word perimeter means itself a circumference value. Okay, it means it's a circumference. So here we have to find the value of the circumference of a circle, and after finding the value of the circumference of a circle, we have to add the diameter. Why we are going to add the diameter over here? Because here in this question it is said that semicircle including its diameter, that's why we are going to add over here. Clear? So in this video we are going to see from question number 1 to 7. Rest other we will going to see in the next video. Clear everyone? Now let's see one by one the solutions of the question. So first question is a very easy one. Okay, what is given there? Radius value is given as 14 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the circumference of a circle. So what is the circumference of a circle? Formula is 2 pi r, isn't it? So circumference of a circle is equals to 2 into pi value. In the question itself it is given that we have to take it as 22 by 7, and r is also given in the question as 14 centimeter. Clear everyone? So circumference of a circle is equals to, this 7 will be get cancelled one time, and 14 also get cancelled in the table of 7, as 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14, isn't it? So 2 into 22 into 2 is left out into centimeter. Okay, so 2 into 22 is how much? That is 44. 44 into 2 is 88 centimeter. Clear everyone how 88 centimeter we get? We had substituted the values of pi and r and we had calculated, then we will get the value as 88 centimeter. Clear everyone? In the same way we are having B part of the question. Here the value of r is given as 28. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r, isn't it? So circumference of a circle C is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 28, isn't it? Now 7 1 is 7 will get cancelled, and 7 what? In table of 7 28 comes how many times? That comes how many times? 4 times, isn't it? So here 7 4s are 28. So C is equal, circumference of a circle is equals to 2 into 22 into 4 we are having. Clear? So 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 4 is how much? 176 centimeter. So in this way we will get the values of circumference of the circle when the radius is being given as 28 millimeter. So dear student, here you have to write mm. Okay, because the question is given in the form of millimeter. I thought that the question is in the form of centimeter, but while looking the question it is very clear that it is in the form of a millimeter. So please write on millimeter. Clear? In the same way 21 is the radius given here. Okay, 21 is the radius. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, isn't it? Now substituting the value of circumference of a circle is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Okay, so C is equals to 132 centimeter. We will get the required answer. Clear? So here you have to write 2 pi r. Clear everyone? Then in the second question, again the radius is given. You have to find the area of the circle. Clear? So what is the radius is given over there? Radius is given as 14 centimeter. area of a circle formula is pi r square, isn't it? Then area of, we have to find the value of area of a circle. So pi value we have to take it as a 22/7. Why we have to take it 22/7? Because it is given in the question. It is very clearly given in the question. That's why we are taking 22/7 into r. R value is 14. So 14 the whole square, isn't it? Now a is equals to 22/7 into 14 square. That means 14 will be multiplied twice, isn't it? Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So 22 into 4 is 44. 44 into 14 is how much? That is 616 centimeter square will be the required answer. Clear? In the same way, in the sorry, D part of the question it is given that diameter is given as 49 centimeter, isn't it? Now using the diameter we have to find the radius. So if diameter is 49 centimeter, we will divide it by 2. The radius will be 49/2, isn't it? Now what is the value of circumference of a circle is equals to pi r square. So pi we have to take it 22/7 into r we have to take it 49/2 the whole square. Sorry. So here 22/7 into 49/2 into 49/2. Clear? Cancelling it with the table of 7, we will get the required answer over here. So what is the required answer we are getting? That is 1886.5 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the required answer. Clear everyone? Now in the C part of the question, same you have to do. Radius is given, area of the circle is given as pi r square, isn't it? So pi value you have to keep it as, r value is given as 5, then area of a circle is equals to pi r square, isn't it? So a is equals to 22/7 into 5 the whole square we are having, isn't it? So 22/7 into 5 into 5. So that required answer will be 550/7 centimeter square. So this is the required answer for the C part of the question. In the same way, we are going to see question number 3. As I told you in the question number 3, circumference of a circular sheet is given as, what is given in the circumference of a circular sheet value? That means circumference value is given over here, that is 154. With the help of this value only we are going to find the radius of a circle. Have you understood what I am saying? So dear student, with the help of this circumference value, here in this question, in the previous question we are going to find the area and the circumference. But here in this third question, the value of circumference of a circle is already given. Okay, we are not going to find the circumference of a circle value, because that value is already given in the question, and with the help of that value we are going to find the radius, since it is asked to find the radius of a circle. Okay, so circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. This is the formula we are having, isn't it? Now what is the circumference of a circle formula is, that is 154 meter is equals to 2 into 22/7 into r. Since r value we have to find out, isn't it? Now transposing this, what you will get? 154, 7 will be cross multiplied. So 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22 will be there is equals to r. So this will be the value, isn't it? Now when this will be, we can get cancelled by the table of 2. So it will be 77, isn't it? Now again in the table of 11, 11 twos is 22. So it will be 2 times, and 11 sevens is how much? 77. Now 7 into 7 is 7 into 7 upon 2 is equals to, that means while doing the calculation we will get the number as 24.5 meter is equals to r, that is the radius. So whenever students, the circumference of a circle, the value is given. Okay, So that with the help of that value we can easily find the radius, and when we are going to find the radius we can easily find the diameter by multiplying 2 with the value of diameter. Clear everyone? Now after finding the radius of a circle, this is the radius of a circular sheet, isn't it? This is the value. Now after finding the radius we are going to find the area of the circle. So what is the formula for area of the circle? That is pi r square, isn't it? Since pi value we have to take it as 22/7, r value is given as 24.5 the whole square. Doing the calculation we will get the answer as 1886.5 meter square. Clear everyone? Now the next question number 4. In the next question number 4 it is given that diameter of a circular garden is equals to 21 meter. Dear student, here the diameter value is given. Okay, this is the diameter, that means d value is given as 21 meter. So r value will be how much? Dividing by 2 we will get the r value, isn't it? Now since it is asked to find the circumference of a circular garden, so circumference of a circular garden will be equals to the circumference of a circle, whose formula is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference of a circular garden will be equals to the circumference of a circle, whose formula is 2 pi r. So with the using this formula we are going to calculate the value. So 2 into 22/7 is the value of pi, into r is 21/2. Okay, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled over here. 7 ones are 7 and 7 3s is 21. So what is the left out? That is circumference of a circular garden is equals to 22 into 3. So 22 into 3 is 66 meter. So what is the value of circumference of a circular garden we are having? That is 66. Okay, one more thing, according to the question, one more thing is given in the question, that circumference of a circle we had find it 66, isn't it? But in the question it is given that if this one is a circle, once the rope is being fenced, then again is to be fenced. That means the fencing of the rope is being done twice, 2 round is done. That's why we are going to multiply 66. This value of circumference is 66. So we are going to multiply it by 2 because the rope is being fenced 2 times. That's why. Okay. So 2 into 66 meter will be 132 meter. Clear everyone? Now in the next part of the question it is asked that cost of the rope, 1 meter rope is, that means 1 meter rope cost is rupees 4. According to this statement of the question, 1 meter of rope is being purchased for rupees 4. मतलब 1 मीटर रस्सी जो है वो 4 रुपये में आ रहा है. तो टोटल मीटर रस्सी कितना है हमारे पास? दैट इज़ 132 meter into 4. Since the cost we have to find here, so 132 meter into 4, that will be rupees 528 rupees we will get. Thus the length of a rope is 132 meter and cost of fencing the rope 2 round is rupees 528. Clear everyone? Hope you people understood all these questions. Okay, so in the next part, question number 5, it is given that radius of a circular sheet. Okay, radius of a circular sheet, suppose we are having one circle, this is the 4 centimeter radius is given. Okay, and inside that again we have to draw 3 centimeter circle. Okay, 2 circles we are having, one circle radius is 4 and a second circle radius is 3 centimeter. Clear? Then what we are going to do, we are going to remove this inside circle. Okay, so that the circle will become hollow. Then after we have to find this area, what is the remaining area when 3 centimeter circle is being removed. Clear the question? So first what we have to do, radius of a circular sheet is 4 centimeter, radius of a sheet which is to be removed is 3 centimeter. So area of a circular sheet is equals to pi r square. So pi in this question, student, pi value is we have to take at 3.14 because it is very clearly given in the question that pi value we have to take it as a 3.14. That's why. Okay, if it is not given, we can take either 22 by 7 or 3.14, depends on us. Since it is given in the question, then we have to take it as 3.14. Okay, into here area it is said na, so here area is equals to 2 pi r square. So r value we are having as a 4 square. So area is equals to 3.14 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s is 16, 16 into 3.14, the value, the area value we will get as 50.24 centimeter square. So this is the value of area. Clear everyone? Then in the next part, area of a circular sheet removed. Now 3 centimeter area of the circular sheet is removed, isn't it? So again we have to separately we have to find the area of that 3 centimeter circular sheet is being removed. So a formula for the area of the circle is pi r square, isn't it? Pi value we have to take 3.14 into 3 square. So 3.14 into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3.14 will be equals to 28.26. Clear? Now in the question it is asked that what will be the sheet is remaining. The remaining area of the sheet we have to calculate when 3 centimeter radius circle is being removed. So area of the circle remaining sheet, or area of the remaining sheet, or area of the remaining circle, both are equal. That means here it is asking about remaining part, isn't it? That means 50.24 centimeter square will be subtracted with 28.26 centimeter square. So while subtraction, everybody know how to subtract. So we will get the answer as 21.98 centimeter square. Clear everyone? Next, sixth question. Diameter of a circular table is given 1.5 meter. So radius will be 1.5 divided by 2. Then with the help of this radius we are going to find the circular circumference of a circular table. Okay, that is 2 into 3.14 into 1.5 upon 2 meter. So while doing the calculation we will get the answer as 4.71, isn't it? Now since it is said in the question that 1 meter lace is of rupees 15, so while calculating its circumference 4.71 will be multiplied with 15 to get the cost. So total cost will be 62.55. so this is the total cost of the lace. Clear everyone? Similarly we are going to do for this is a very simple question. A semicircle is given, its diameter is given 10 centimeter. So the diameter, with the help of this diameter we can easily find its radius. So radius will be 5 centimeter, isn't it? If we are not going to divide, we can directly take its radius. So what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r, isn't it? Since we are talking about the semicircle, that means it is half. So it will be multiplied by half. The formula will going to be multiplied with half. So the formula of circumference of semicircle will be pi r. Have you understood why it is divided by half? What is the formula for circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r. Okay, since we are talking here about semicircle, the word semicircle, it means half of the circle. That's why half is divided with the formula. So what is the actual formula for circumference of a semicircle is pi r, isn't it? Now pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 10 by 2. While doing the calculation, what is 110 upon 7 centimeter is the required answer for circumference of a semicircle. Now in the question it is very clearly said that we have to add the diameter of a semicircle, because in the question it is said perimeter of a semicircle including its diameter. That's why whatever the circumference value we got, we are going to add it by 10. 10 is the diameter. So 110 centimeter upon 7 plus 10. 7 will get cross multiply. So 110 centimeter plus 70 centimeter upon 7. 110 plus 70, that is 180 centimeter upon 7. So 180 centimeter upon 7, when it will be divided, we will get the required answer as 25.7. Okay, so here we had completed up to the 7th question. In the next video we will see some more questions related to this exercise. So thank you everyone.